Hello friends, my name is Siddhi. Welcome to my channel Fat Fashion Fantasy. So in today's video, I have come up with a budget haul. I went to Borivali West for shopping all these products. And in Borivali West, there's a place called Goyal Shopping Center, which is 2 to 3 walking from the Borivali West station. And yeah, you will get a footwear, clothing, accessories, everything there at a very reasonable rates. If you have enough time, then you should check all the racks available, and you will definitely come across some very good brands from the US. So whenever you buy product, kindly check for tiny holes, strains, or loose threads in the products. You since these guys do not exchange, so you have to be very careful before buying. So in my lookbook, I have got many top wear and jackets. These all are for 100 rupees flat price. There's one denim that is for 200 rupees flat price, and the dress is for 100 rupees flat price. Now these prices may vary 50 odd up and down. So yeah, you have to bargain. You have to carry your own bags since they do not give plastic bags. So yeah, I hope you like this budget haul, and if you do like, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share the video, and comment down below of what you like, what you didn't like, of any suggestions. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the lookbook. Until next time, bye.